gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivane Boutique, spreading colors globally. Today it's going to be beautiful collections of half linen product, and some will be like half tussar. I will now and then I will let you know that is the stuff of the fabric, so that you can place your orders. For prices or product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivaneboutique.com or else 95833017620 WhatsApp number. We are at your service. Thank you so much, and let's start the show. The first saree is this, and the second color is this. It's a half linen saree, means it's not pure ones, and these ranges could be like this is 2600 to 3000, right? Till 3000 we have 2000 to 3000 ranges, whatever I am showing it to you today. And this is the second color. It's a nice pale purple color kind of. So see the saree, this is the pallu part, and where is the blouse? The blouse is this. So the back of the saree will be like this. You definitely have to understand the back of the saree. See, this is how it is. So these are all printed half linen product, and you have got this beautiful embroideries on the borders. And the second color is this. The second color is this. See, this is a aqua green color, and then the third color is a beautiful green Bengal gram green color saree. So these are the three beautiful colors, and this one is the fourth color. Four beautiful colors which we have. It is very easy to maintenance, and it will listen to you a lot. Right from the morning till evening, you can wear the saree, office wear saree, shopping wear saree, however wherever you wanted to, you can wear the saree. So this is like that. The second concept in the same fabric is this. You can find all over embroideries on the sarees. See this. This is also a mixed product, half linen product. So this is how it is. You can see light transparency. Even if you wear it on a single pleated, it is not that much transparent. And then this is the blouse part for this. So you can find these beautiful embroideries. Wait, here it is. The embroideries are here, and lovely colors are there. See, this is a nice green color, and then it's a nice pinkish peach. Oh, this color is so beautiful. All the four colors are so nice. Aqua green color saree. So four beautiful colors which we have right now. And then comes this. This is also a half linen by cotton, but it is not heavy like linen by cotton stuff. It is entirely different stuff. The look of the saree will be like a half linen saree, and you can find beautiful embroideries. So this is how it is. This is the pallu part for this, and then you can find a striped blouse for this. So rest of the portion, the embroidery comes down over here, like open in this way, so that you can understand how it looks. Saree is so pretty and amazing. See this. So is the saree, and for the pleat area, this comes this way. And yes, I have got nice colors in this. All are nice, beautiful colors, self-embroidered. Two different colors in this. And then the next concept in the same fabric, half linen. This is half linen by cotton. All are lightweight and easy maintenance. See, this is the saree. The entire saree comes this way with these beautiful embroideries. This is the pallu part, and the blouse is a striped blouse. See this. So everybody sit back, relax, enjoy the colorful colors which we are showing. Be happy. If you like the product, just grab it. If you are not interested, just see our video and be happy, stay happy. So the next color is this. See, this is the next color. Lovely color it is. I love this color. This is a very beautiful color. I can't name the color. And then the next concept is this. What fabric is this? It's also half linen fabric, and you can find beautiful silver worked embroideries on the saree. See this. So this is how it is. The entire shoulder pallu comes this way. Nice purple, pink, rose color sari because you can find purple dots inside, and this is all embroidered, and the blouse is this. So this is the blouse part for this, and I've got nice colors in this. It's a sky blue color. It's a very pale color actually speaking. For the lights, the color may be a little darker, so it is a pale color. You can log on to our website www.shivaneboutique.com, see the colors and then place the order. The next thing is a different kind of green. All are pale, but the designs are so nice and amazing. The next design is this linen, half linen by cotton. So it is good for this climate as well, and you can see beautiful embroideries down over there. See, this is the pallu part, and that is the embroidery part, where you can go for a contrast mix and match blouses as well, or simply you can wear this striped blouse. And I've got nice colors in this. It's a very beautiful chocolate pink color, and then aqua green is now into trend, aqua green colors. So these are the three different colors which we have right now. The next thing is this half linen with a zigzag design with a zari borders on either sides. See this lovely beautiful designs you can find, and yeah, it's embroidered, and then this is the blouse part for this, and then the next saree is this. Colors are so pleasing and amazing. Then the next comes the half linen with the zari border with embroideries. So this is little bit of functional wear. For a small little function, you can go for the sari. It's a nice peacock blue color. These are all embroideries. You can find beautiful embroideries inside the sari fully. And this is a small little border up, and the down border is a getty jerry border. And this is a nice pinkish magenta colored blouse. And yes, I have got one more color. It's a nice traditional green with red matching. So let me open this on the saree itself, so that see this. So this is how it is, all over design. And for the pleat area, this portion is plain, and the rest of the portion comes with an embroidery. And then my last sarees are these simple embroideries. It's a half linen product saree, mixed fabric. Actually, it is mixed fabric, I can call this as, and means it is not cotton mixed. It's half linen product. The look of the saree will be a linen, but it is not linen by cotton. It is a mixed one. So the all over embroidery it is, and then this is how it is. And we have got a same matching blouse. Actually speaking, you can wear a contrast this mustard yellow color blouse. It will be so beautiful. Or else the second color will be a green color. That also will be nice. And I have got beautiful colors in the. See this 1, 2, all with little bit of difference here and there. These are the lovely colors. Spreading colors globally. Looks like that way. See this, and I have got in the same concept second design, only the embroidery alone is different. Just one saree, let me, so that see the embroidered difference is there. You can find this embroidery is different and this embroidery is different. And I've got nice colors in this. It's a nice blue green color. This is a peacock blue, this is a bottle green, and this is a navy blue color. Lovely colors we have got today. So alright guys, hope you enjoyed seeing our colorful collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivaneboutique.com, or 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. We are at your service. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon with pretty beautiful collections. Bye bye.